All right, guys. So Roby here, WP Enhanced, looking at the WP Order Alerts setup. Now, you've already registered and selected your plan, and now you need to add a site. So what are we going to do? You need to make sure that you're already logged in to your WP Order Alerts dashboard at wporderlerts.com, and you will be presented with something like this. And all you need to do is go ahead and click on Add Site, and then you're going to put in your site name. I'm going to say Super Pizza, and then you need to, of course, add the URL. Now, make sure that this is a live website, as local installs does not work for this. So very important step right there. And it's going to ask you to do some additional things. So you're going to need to have your WooCommerce consumer key and your WooCommerce consumer secret to go ahead and finish the setup here. And that's very easy to do. To do that, we just hop over to the dashboard of your WordPress site that has WooCommerce installed. And you go to WooCommerce, you go to Settings here, and then all you go is go to the Advanced tab, and you go to REST API. And then once here, you'll see all the API keys assigned to your WooCommerce store. It's very possible that yours will just show nothing. Of course, I've got some testing API keys in here. For simplicity, I am just going to go ahead and revoke all of those API keys, which means they will no longer be functional. And then this is what you will likely see. So you click on Create an API key, and what it's going to do is pop up with the screen for you, and you can give it a description. Now, this can be anything. I am just going to say Order Alerts. And one thing you want to make sure here is that you, in the permissions field, select Read and Write, because you can update those order statuses from the app, and this is what's going to allow you to do that. So next step is just to generate that API key. And now here's the important step. Here's the information that we're looking for. You need to make sure that you pull that out right now, as you will not be able to get this again. So maybe save this somewhere, and make sure you don't lose it. But that is all you need for now. So we're going to hop back over to our Order Alert dashboard where we were adding Super Pizza. I'm going to paste my consumer API key in here, and then I'll just hop back over. And for the consumer secret, I would copy that, hop on in, and put that in here. Now, you can select this as your primary site. If this is going to be the only site you have on your WP Order Alerts account, great. Make sure you check this box. You can have more of them. Then you need to decide which one is going to remain your primary site. And the primary site is just basically, and if you hover here on the information tooltip, it's going to tell you that this is the one that we will keep sending alerts for if you downgrade your plan to, let's say, a single site plan or something like that, because we don't want to delete your data out. We will just make sure that only one of the sites is sending data. So I'm going to go ahead and check that box and click Add Site. Now you'll see, awesome, it's been added to your site. It refreshes for you. And then here where it says WooCommerce API status, you can see that it has been linked. So that's all there is to linking your WooCommerce store to the app dashboard. But next, we're going to have to look at installing the helper plugin so that you can actually connect the service to the app. So that's coming up real quick in the next video. Bye for now.